Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to try a viral TikTok hack and see what you think about it. I've done it already before, but I want to see what you think. So if you want to see what it is, then just keep on watching. Okay, so for this hack, this is not going to take long. You put your primer on, not your primer, but your moisturizer on first. I've already did my skincare. It's later in the evening, so I've already done my skincare. But I'm just going to put a little bit of this Purlisse. And I'm just going to do one side just to show you, okay? I'm going to do the other side regular, and then I'm going to do one side with the hack. And we're going to see what you think. Okay, so after your moisturizer, you're going to powder your face. We're just going to use this Tarte Shape Tape Translucent makeup puff, okay? And you are going to dip it down into your powder. You won't get enough on there. Now you are just going to powder your face. Do one more little bit right here. Then you're going to get your setting spray. And I'm going to use my Slay All Day setting spray by Gerard Cosmetics. Going to let that dry completely. We are going to go in with primer. I'm going to use the Professional by Benefit. And here's where I'm going to go ahead and put primer over here too. I know, we're putting primer over powder, guys. Hope you can hear me better. I finally got my microphone fixed. Now we are going in with our foundation. Can you tell a difference between either side so far? Okay, so now we're going to go in with our foundation. And I'm going to use something I haven't used in a while. I'm going to use my L'Oreal Infallible. This was one of my most favorite foundations before I found Yensa Beauty and Purlisse. But we're going to try it with this one since I tried it with the other one last time. My Anisa Pinnacle foundation brush is starting to shed. I hate that. But after almost a year and a half, I guess it's time. It held up well. Guess I'll have to order me some more. Now we're going to put a little bit over here. And that's it. You can put your concealer over top this side, really show this side. And then this side. Now I can see some texture right there. I can't see the light so bright. This side looks smoother than this side. I don't know, but you tell me in the comments what you think about this trend or this hack. Have you tried it? If you haven't, are you going to try it? I think it's really good for people with really dry skin. Not sure about oily, but I think it's really good for people that has really dry skin. But let me know what you think down in the comments. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. And ring that bell so you don't miss a beat. And I will see you in the next one.